Hello friends, I am Malavika Sekya, founder director Kishma Venture, founder Monpokila Dream of a Woman, a transformational and a talent established platform for especially for married ladies, and with my USP to give them the knowledge of how to utilize their talents towards their livelihood as well as their towards their leadership and empowerment. I would like to thank you, Dr. Trilochan Nayak, who had been inviting me to give a speech for the entrepreneurs for his YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to say what to do when you start your entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, when you are deciding that you are going towards your entrepreneurship with your ideas. That time just plan how you will do it with your plan workout and make a draft of your plan and then decide how to start it with if you have limited resources, then how to start it. You can start it with an I started as an enterprise, then I converted towards private limited after 1 year of my journey. So with my innovated social innovation change making idea, uh, when you have your limited resources, plan it how to start it and then share your idea with your reliable channels with whom you can discuss about your idea, to operate it, to execute it, to plan for operation and execution, and find out a way how you will go with a baby step. Start with your baby step. First of when you are, especially those entrepreneurs who are going to launch their innovative ideas. If you would like to do it with your start it with your limited resources, get all the knowledges, where to start, how to start, and when to start, and then make a map how to go towards your goal. Set your goal at a big distance, then start your journey with baby steps. uh, what will you do when challenges come towards you? See, when an entrepreneur starts its working, um, the all the resources is very usually are very limited, especially the finance and manpower. In that case, so many challenges come towards your journey. You need to have patience, that you are going on a long term vision, and you need to have determination, that you have to have that reach that at that goal you are deciding for your journey. And then don't lose your faith on yourself, because you are creative, you are innovative, and you are courageous. That's why you could start your entrepreneurial journey. It's not an easy to start even for many, and you are one of those little number of them who have their courage to start their journey. When challenges come to your way, uh, pause for a little and study well what kind of challenges is these or are those, and then find out some appropriate steps and plan always, yes, for an entrepreneur startup journey, always we need to have plan B and C along with us, because our plan A may not work because we are working with our limited resources. Then how to execute the plan B? If plan B is not working, then we must be have a precautious another plan, that plan C. And don't worry, when you will start your journey, if you have courage, if you have your ideas to with a sustainable goal, you will get your companion in your journey, entrepreneurial journey. You will not be alone, and that time also you can apply, you will have the courage to apply for the funding, how to apply for the seed funding, how to apply for the angel fund investors, and how to apply for the venture equity funding, venture capital funding, all the funding. Those who are with their social entrepreneur journey with section 8, they can also apply for some funds, some kind of humanitarian funds. Not to worry about it, only to have faith in self and have the courage to move ahead. And don't give a long term pause, or if you would like to give a pause, then pause for a little to reassessment your journey, look into your back, and then make an assessment how to go for in forward mode. Always keep your enterprise in a moving mode, although it can be in a slow motion or maybe on fast forward. So unless when you will go, you will reach your pilot mode speed. That is the most important thing. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Trilochan, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.